What's up, guys? Will H, and today we are taking a look at the FNTCase for your Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Now, I picked this up on Amazon. The price was around $17, $18. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So some of the features and details, this case is made out of a high-grade TPU and PC material. It has frosted back. It's 14 feet military grade drop protection. Has raised edges around the screen and camera, and it's also going to be MagSafe compatible as well. So those are a few of the features and details. Here's the packaging, FNTCase. I've never used this brand before, but here it is. And then on the back, it gives you a few more specs here. It says shock resistant, precise cutting, easy install, and comfortable touch. So I've already cut the tape. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Check it out. So inexpensive case. Just got my Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold a little while ago, a couple days ago, and was just looking for a quick case to put on. So you get a little pamphlet here to activate the warranty, and then here's the case. So this case, one reason I got it because I like for the front piece and the rear piece to be connected, and this case, met my needs right there. Now it has a soft feel to it, frosted back. There's your MagSafe right there, and let's go ahead and put this on the device. The Moonstone, this phone has been great. I love the device, man. So far, so good. So easy to pop that on there. And here we are. Just like that, it is on the device. Looks very good, as you guys see here. You got some protection here for your cameras. That is raised up a little bit right there. You guys can see your G in there, but it's taken away from the Moonstone color. This is the frosted back. It comes in different colors as well. And then on the bottom, you can see your cutouts there for your microphone charging port and speaker. The hinge is going to be wide open. And then at the top, you got a cutout for your microphones right there. And then on this side, got a cutout for your volume up and down and power button / fingerprint. So yeah, man, here it is here. And then you get a nice lip going around the front of it for late iron protection. Now, I do have a screen protector on here as well. There's your earpiece. And let's take a look at the inside of it here, see how this looks. So not very much lip on the inside if you want to lay this down flat, having it open. Let's go ahead and check out very easy to get to these buttons, so no issue right there. No need to try those out. And yeah, it looks good, man. Now, I do feel this sharp edge right here on the corner, but that's the way the device is made. But I think this could be a little bit more rounder. So that may be I don't know, that might be a deal, make me not like the case so much, but it's not there when you open it up, of course, because it's open. But I use my phone in my left hand, even though I'm right-handed, and I can feel that jabbing my hand there. So let's go ahead and check out the MagSafe here. That is not what Google calls it, but here it is. You guys see the magnet is pretty strong there. See if we can try that again. There it is. It is charging right there. Pixel Snap, I think it's called. But yeah, man, this is the FNTCase for your Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick this up. Will H, I'm out.